Discover 5 easy tricks to make money online. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Table. Today, I've got 5 fantastic tricks to help you earn money online. Stick around till the end to boost your income from your own home. First, try freelance work. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills to clients worldwide. You can write, design, or do almost anything. Second, consider selling handmade items or vintage finds on Etsy. Your unique creations can bring in a pretty penny. Third, take online surveys during your free time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. It's quick and easy. Fourth, teach or tutor online. Websites like VIP Kid and Teachable let you share your knowledge and earn well. Lastly, start a blog or YouTube channel about something you love. Monetize with ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links to generate income. To discover more great tricks, subscribe to Financial Table and never miss an update. Remember to like, share, and hit the notification bell too.